Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great and ultra rare Outback Kargoroo 28 KRS. It's a 2007 model. I've got clearance priced. Folks, these are rare, and I've never had one for this lower price before. These are part of my travel trailer clearance sale going on right now. We're trying to get down to nothing but toy haulers, fifth wheels, and motorhomes. And yes, I know this is a side load toy hauler, but most people buying these side load toy haulers are buying them more for a travel trailer and less for a toy hauler. So these are considered travel trailers to us. But it is a toy hauler side load. Got two slide outs. Neat camper. It's about 29 feet long. Got a rear slide out that gives you an additional 4 or 5 extra feet of length when you're set up. So you're towing 29 feet, but you're getting about 33, 34 foot at the campground. So you get a lot of space in this. And it only weighs 6,100 pounds. You can see you got the cargo loading door here on the side into the front garage, optional second bedroom. I'll show you that here in a minute. Got an outside kitchen with a cooktop and hot and cold running water. All aluminum frame, got an outside scare light, speakers for the outside. You got inside and outside speakers, of course. Your pull out fiberglass slide. Gives you a lot of space. Got a large awning. A lot of camper for $89.95, folks, let me tell you. Got that little aerodynamic LP and battery cover on the front. Got the power tongue jack. It looks like it's a lot newer than the camper. Slide out over here, no delamination. And of course, it's got the typical Outback. In the mid to late 2000s, all their trailers had the peeling decals on them. So they've all been peeled off. Very common problem with the Keystones of that era. Said, folks, $89.95. Trust me, you can do a whole lot worse. 6-gallon DSI water heater, 30 amp service, stabilizer jacks, another scare light out here. No delamination. That's the main thing you want to look at. Not even on the front. Got the diamond shield on the bottom. Of course, you got 3 entry doors. One right here into the front garage bay. You've got one right across from the bathroom, then one in the main living area. We'll walk up this ramp door. Now, this is a Queen Murphy bed. This bed actually folds up against the wall. It's about a 4 foot wide door. About a 6 foot by 7.5 foot garage bay with plenty of tie downs. Place for a TV up there in the corner. It's got, of course, Outback's trademark white cabinets. Doesn't have any carpet back here. Doesn't even have carpet in the main living area, just in the slide out, in the step leading up to the rear bed. But look how long this camper is, but you're only towing 29 feet. Got a big table booth that makes a bed. Sofa makes a bed. Got a queen bed in the back with a privacy curtain. You almost never see them, these Outbacks that still have the factory bedspread, but this one does. Matches all the curtains and everything. Got a side kitchen, place for a TV there. Stovetop oven, microwave, big refrigerator. It's got remote control, ducted roof air, and furnace. So you can change the temperature of the camper without even getting out of bed. I'm trying to hurry up, but my battery is starting to get a little weak. Porcelain RV toilet. Little stand-up shower. Look around the skylight, no water stains, no water damage. Medicine cabinet, got a closet in here. Everything's enclosed in the side. 6,095 pounds is the dry weight. Let me go ahead and show you the sticker. 6,095. Got a 50-gallon fresh water tank. So if you fill your water tank up, you still have 1,100 pounds of cargo carrying capacity. You know, these are perfect for somebody who needs to haul a single motorcycle or a small four-wheeler or something like that. You know, most people with toy haulers that need to haul several toys, they're going to buy a rear loader for the bigger garage space. But this is perfect for somebody that needs a little bit of toy hauler space and a lot more living space, where traditionally rear load toy haulers are mostly all cargo space with just a little bit of living space. You pretty much get the entire camper in here for living space. And, you know, on a pretty day, you can put that door down, get some fresh air in here. You don't have to use this for a toy hauler. You can easily use it for a regular travel trailer. Plus, you got an easy place to load your gear up in it as well. So it's got some advantages, folks. Big closet right here across from the bathroom. You know, one little spot in the floor right here, and it's just where somebody's kicked up the vinyl around the vent. Nothing that's going to hurt a thing. I'm just trying to pick it for you so you don't have to. But for a 2007 model, this thing's in phenomenal condition, and it's clearance priced for what it is. And let me tell you how this clearance pricing works. Like I said, I'm trying to concentrate on selling motorhomes, fifth wheels, and toy haulers, even though, you know, the rear load toy haulers. So I consider side loads regular travel trailers, so I've marked all them down to clearance price too. Folks, you've got three different prices. I advertised at $89.95. That's option 2. That's the middle price. You can buy it for less and you can buy it for more. Option 1 is everything you can possibly get. The price is $94.95, which includes a 2007 28 KRS Keystone Outback side load toy hauler. It includes a major systems inspection by our certified RV techs that will be completed after purchase. It includes a walk-through demonstration by the tech that checked it out after it's been through service. I mean, you can see the ceiling too. There's no water stains, nothing. It also includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. Not through us, it's through a warranty provider that you can pretty much take it anywhere. Just about every place accepts it, folks. That's included for the $94.95. Plus, you get a year of free camping at select RV resorts nationwide, up to 21 nights total, up to 7 nights at a time. These are $100 a night campgrounds or more. So these are not your run-of-the-mill KOAs or run-of-the-mill state parks. These are some very nice RV resorts. That's included, and it's up to you whether you take advantage of that or not. Tremendous positive feedback from customers that have started using those campgrounds. They love it. All that's included. Of course, you get a walkthrough demonstration by the RV tech. That's worth a lot of money in itself. He'll show you how to operate everything, how to turn everything on, how to set it up at the campground. He'll teach you he'll show you anything he had to do to repair it and more. That's included for that $94.95. That's out the door. That's haggle free, firm, as in all of our prices are. Doesn't matter if you're paying cash, trade, or finance. All those prices are haggle free and firm. Option 2 is what I advertise it for, which is $89.95. That includes everything that I just mentioned except the 90-day nationwide limited warranty. Option 3 is the as-is price, and that is buying it just like it sits, no checkout, no inspection, no walkthrough. We're going to show you how to put the rooms in, and that's it. That price is $86.95. That's the lowest possible price you can buy this camper for, folks. There's no negotiating. Those prices are haggle-free. This is a $12,000 camper, folks. You can buy it for as low as $86.95. And you can buy it for $9,500 with no worries. So it's definitely a bargain. Look online. Look at other 2007 28 KRSs. See if they're in this good a condition. Look how much they're asking for those. I mean, this thing's a deal, folks. Financing available with approved credit and minimum 10% down payment. You can apply right from our website, parkwayrvcenter.com. We've also got nationwide delivery available. Contact us for a quote. Our phone numbers are 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, you can get sales help at 423-605-6747. Visit our website to see our entire inventory of used RVs, parkwayrvcenter.com. Folks, we're family owned and operated for 50 years. And like I said, don't let us getting out of the travel trailer business scare you or turn you off from buying from us. We still trade for RVs, folks. We'll still trade for travel trailers. We're just simply not going out and buying them to resell. In other words, we're not buying them for stock. We're going to get down to just a few trade-ins, and that's it. And this was a motorhome trade-in too. So anyway, give us a call, folks. drop us an email at sales@parkway.rvcenter.com. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. This unit's going on eBay. It's going on several other of the most popular for sale websites on the internet. So safe to say this one's probably not going to be here very long at this price. Thank you again for watching. Any questions, email us, call us, of course, for faster response. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.